Are you missing the fundamentals of a new kitchen design? Why does Martha Stewart make everything look so easy? What kind of degree does she have that enables her to make everything look simply fantastic? Most of us live on a design level that is so beneath Martha's that even with a telescope, she can't see us. But are we still capable of constructing a kitchen design that will make others sigh in wonder? Yes, we are. The only requirement is that we make sure we include all of the fundamentals of new kitchen design in our project. By incorporating the fundamentals, we are sure to include the latest and most practical trends without spending more than we should. Before we even start picking out new colors and fixtures, it is imperative that we know where we are going. What do we need to do to make our old kitchen become a new kitchen? Less is more these days, so simplicity is the in thing. Fewer furnishings make way for more space, and with many homes turning kitchen time into family time, the extra space comes in handy. The reduction of unessential features in the kitchen is one of the fundamentals revealed in new kitchen designs. Changing your cabinets, or even just your cabinet doors, makes a huge impact when you are renovating your kitchen. If you don't alter the cabinets in some way, you will be disregarding another aspect of new kitchen designs. There are several methods you can use to update your cabinets. Once installed, hardwood cabinets will completely change the style of your room. Easier, less expensive fixes include repainting or replacing the doors of the cabinets and replacing the cabinet handles. Additionally, your appliances must complement your colors and cabinets. Most new kitchen designs feature sleek-looking appliances which generally appear to be constructed of metal. Cabinets and counters are now designed to hide electric outlets and cables. Larger kitchen fixtures like refrigerators and stoves no longer stand alone in the kitchen.